Welcome to our guide on using Circular.io, your AI bookkeeping assistant. Upon login, you'll land on the home screen. To begin, click the blue button to start a new chat room, where Circular's bookkeeper is ready to assist you with booking expenses and income through file uploads or simple prompts. Simply choose between logging revenue or expenses and proceed to upload a file. You have the option to drag and drop files or browse for JPEG, PNG, or PDF files, up to 5 files at a time. After uploading, hit Send a Message. Circular will process this receipt and generate an entry under Pending Reviews, enabling you to edit, review, and approve it. To make changes to entry details, click the edit icon, adjust the information, and finalize your edits with a checkmark. Additionally, you can switch between accountant and non-accountant modes for a tailored view. Another way to record an expense is by giving a brief instruction like, book travel expense for $400, and Circular will promptly generate the entry for your review. Once you have reviewed the entries, click Confirm to save them to your transactions, which are accessible at any time. Simply click on the transactions icon to view all your confirmed transactions. You can also switch between accountant and non-accountant modes for a more detailed view. To access your stored receipts, click on the source icon. A pop-up window displaying the relevant chat history will appear, allowing you to view the file whenever needed. For real-time tracking of top expenses and financial insights, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can monitor your total flows, view financial statements, and export reports for your reference. If you have any specific queries or require further assistance with using Circular.io, feel free to ask at support@circular.io.